Hello YouTube, how are you? Uh, Today I will show you about the log. Uh, Basically, in this tutorial, I will explain you different types of log and what type of logs available in Oracle database. So there are different type of circumstances when database logs will arrive into Oracle database. So there are three type of logs. First is row level log, second is table level log, and which is also known as shared log and exclusive log, and last one is dead log. So in this tutorial I will show you what is row level log, table level log, shared log, exclusive log, and dead log. I will try to make a series to explain explain those different type of logs and try to perform practically. So stay with me. So let's forward with row level logs. Row level log is told as transactional log and is a log on a single row of a table. A transaction acquire a row log for each row modified by one of the following statement, like insert, update, delete, merge, select for update, etc. So the row log exists until the transaction the row log exists until the transaction commit or rollback. So let's perform it practically. Let me allow to go my VM machine and to connect in my database to show you how to occur row level log in Oracle database. I open a terminal. I'm logged into my database as a subpartitions. I'm checking the name of my database. Select name from $B database. My database name is ORCL. So my user is sys. Now I'm checking in the schema table, in Scott schema EMP table data. There are 14 rows. Okay, there are 14 row in the table, and this is the table. In Scott schema there were a table called EMP. I'm accessing this table in sysdba in sysdba user. That's why I have to that's why I have to write that scott.emp. When you try to access another user schemas table, then you have to put the command in that way. One thing is that you must have to permission to access to read other users schemas table. As I am logging sysdba, so sysdba is the owner of the database, so sysdba can read anything, can modify anything in the database. So that's why I don't need to permission to access Scott schema Scott schema's object. So let me update to any row of Scott Scott schema's EMP table. I am updating I'm updating a employee whose employee number is 7987902 and set the salary 6,000. So if you keep a look on my previous statement, which select star from score.emp, you can see the employee number 7907902 7902 is salary will be 3,000, and I'm updating those salary to 6,000. If I put this command again, select star from score.emp, we can I can see the changes. Hire employee number 7902. So now there is a salary is 6,000, and before that there was 3,000 here. So now I am going to open a new tab and using the Control Shift T, and this is the different terminal, and also I'm going to log in my database as a sysdba as a escort user. I'm setting the pages and line. Select star from EMP. There is a 3,000. Old value is when I am logging by escort user and in another terminal, and when I put the command select star from EMP, I can see here the employee number 7902 whose salary is till now 3,000. Just before few times I have changed those amount. From 3,000 to 6,000, but here it is not updated. So if we're going to update of the EMP table, basically the same row, whose salary, whose EMP number 7902, update EMP set salary equal to 8,000, where EMP number equal to 7902. So when I'm going to hit enter, and which row up if now I am hit enter, then it will what I am doing here, I am updating the same row in which I am update this row in just a few time ago by sys user. By my sys user, I updated that row, and after in a new tab, after login, different user escort, and I'm updating the same row. So what will happen when I'm hit enter? So it's locked. When I hit enter, then it's locked. My session is locked. My session is waiting for what? So what's happened behind that? So basically row level lock is applied in this session. There is low level lock is occur, and because this row is already modified by the my super user, sys user, until the sys user release the row using the rollback or commit keyword. This session will be locked. remain logged, and this row and the escort user cannot update it this row. So if I perform here commit and hit enter, then my escort user session will be released and the row is updated. But if you want to check basically which session log has arrived, you can check by the view. There is lots of view, and select SID. What I'm doing, I am going to check is there any log occur, or not. If you want to check is there any log occur or not, you can check this in this manner. Look, when you working in a organization and you are performing a DBA role, a user come to you and says, hey DBA, when I update a row, then my session is locked. I don't know what happened. So basically this scenario, this circumstance will occur when the session will lock, and when two users updating the same row, and until updating the same row, and they do not perform any rollback or command statement. So then you have to check is there any lock condition occur or not. So let's see, is there any lock condition occur or not, and what Oracle dictionary says. Select SID block from $log view. So in this session, in this view, you can check there are lots of SID, and there is last SID 133, and it's showing block number is 1. So which block number 1 means there is a lock, there is a block occur. So there is a row level log. So I want to check the username basically. So select SID comma username comma serial hash from $, session view. By this view we can check the username, and there are lots of username, and which user is SID 133 and username is sys, and serial number is 208, and there is escort user 141, username is escort, and session ID is 261. So basically I check here the 133, it's showing it's showing 1. It's meaning that the session ID 133, which is whose username is sys user block another user, right? So what's the meaning? Meaning is the escort user is blocked by the sys user. That's why it shows. That's why in my previous statement it's showing session ID 133 and 133.1. 1 means my sys user is blocked a one user, and where one user is escort. So this session log, this session have arrived. So I am you can also check is there any log incident occur or not by the Oracle EM Enterprise Manager. So First of all, you have to start I have to start the listener. All my listener is already started, and I have to start emctl db console. This is my URL, and my service is already running. And open the web browser, put this URL and hit enter. Now it's asking me the username and password, and connect it as CSTBA login. So to check the log information by the interface manager, you have to click the wait in the home page. Under the active session, there is a wait. In the wait keyword, there is a hang analysis. In the hang analysis, there are waiting 2 session, and there is 2 SID showing 133 and 141. So basically 133 is a super user, our sys user SID, and I just show you. I have just show you it, and 141 is escort user, and my escort session is this. So if you want to kill this session, you can blocking session. In the blocking session, there is a SID 133 of the super user sys, and is showing 1. So it check the graphically SID and block number of the session, and then check the which session is waiting state and which session is free. If the session number is 1, then it means is the session is waiting state, and on session is the showing 0, it means it's free. So waiting for the resources, and which are already used by above session. So this session blocked is using 1. So and the serial number is 208, and you can also kill this session. Select the session which one of the you wanna kill, and kill this session. When you click on kill the session, it's showing kill immediate, and also you can check the command show alter session key alter system kill session 133208 and immediate. So you can also run this command on your terminal SQL prompt to kill this session, and in 208. If I perform here yes, then it will kill the session. And in this case I am using no, and basically I want to kill this session in my SQL prompt. I am logging out from there and going back to my SQL prompt. Now now we know which session is logged and which session is logged, and which session is logged by whose session. So my sys user is I am going to kill the session of alter session kill session SID is 133, and my serial number is 208, right? Okay. If I hit enter, then it's showing error because this is the current session which has logged arrived. So showing the arrow cannot kill the current session. So if I have to open the another terminal and from your connect to the database CSTBA, write the command alter system kill session 133, 208, hit enter, system altered. So if I come back to my escort session, what I can see one row updated. but but this session was logged by the sysdba user session. So when I killed sysdba session, then automatically Scott user session is released. So this is the row level log, and this is the row level log, and I hope it helps. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any confusion, any question, any query, please comment below. I will try to answer. Thank you for watching.